Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious cheesy broccoli and orzo casserole, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is bring a pot of water to a boil, and we're going to season that water with some salt. We're going to be using orzo today, which is a pasta, but it resembles rice. So on the back it shows you the serving sizes, and it also shows you what type of doneness you would want. For this recipe, I would suggest you use the 9 to 10 minute mark. You want your pasta to still have a little bit of firmness because it will be going into the oven to finish cooking. So we're going to go ahead and put our pasta in the water, give it a good stir, and we're going to let that cook until it's done. I'm going to go ahead and drain it at this point, and this is how it should look. It still has some firmness to it. It's not mushy at all, you guys. So now we're going to go ahead and create our little quick cheese sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of butter here, and I'm pouring in about a cup of whole milk. Please don't have your heat up as high as I do. I don't know why I have my heat up all the time like that. You don't want to scald your milk, you guys, so just have your heat on like a medium low heat. And then now I'm going to go ahead and put in my Veleeta cheese, and we're going to just go ahead and keep stirring that until our cheese is nice and melted. Once our cheese has melted and is looking silky and smooth, we're going to go ahead and put in our orzo. So of course we're going to give that a good stir. And I know at this point you guys are saying, oh my gosh, Lannie, that's a lot of cheese. I know it looks like that, but once it bakes in the oven, you guys know that cheese starts to firm up and thicken. So it won't look like this once it's done cooking. When I'm making cheesy dishes like this, or maybe even a mac and cheese, I like for my cheese sauce to be loose at this stage because I know that it won't be dry once it's done baking. Okay, so we're going to put in a little bit more cheese, probably about a half a cup of a mixed cheddar blend, and we're going to season it, of course, with a little bit of salt and pepper. That is all it needs. And of course, like I do every video, I'm going to taste my food to make sure it does not need any additional seasoning, which it did not. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and add in our defrosted broccoli. Give that a good stir and making sure that broccoli is all throughout. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of mozzarella cheese for the top, just so you can get that nice and golden brown color once it's done baking. I'm popping this into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. For the last minute or two of baking, I put my oven on broil so you can get that nice deep golden brown color that I love. And that is it, you guys. This dish was super easy to put together. It didn't take a whole lot of time at all. Come on, I can't even talk. That looks so good. This dish was super delicious, you guys, and it was super easy to make. And I just served it alongside some crispy fried chicken, and it was a match made in heaven. The broccoli and the orzo were perfectly cooked. The cheese sauce just brought everything together. Super delicious, you guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you love it as much as me and my family did. Once again, I thank you guys so much for clicking on my videos and watching. I appreciate every last one of you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.